Number 1. Listed for $7,500 in Zanesville, Ohio, this 1979 Dodge Aspen is powered by a 318 Magnum engine from a 2000 Dodge Ram and a fresh 904 transmission. The car features new dual exhaust, a new Edelbrock carburetor, and recently updated suspension. While the vehicle runs and drives, it has some minor issues such as lifter noise on startup and a need for alignment. The interior is original, and the car comes with a clean title. The Dodge Aspen was introduced in 1976 as a compact car designed to replace the Dodge Dart, known for its practicality and smooth ride, making it a popular choice in the late 1970s. Number 2. This 1963 Chrysler 300, listed for $7,500 in White Lake, Michigan, is a solid California car with no body rust, although there is some rust in the trunk. Powered by a strong 383 engine, the vehicle features a rebuilt carburetor, a new ignition system, and new dual exhaust. The interior has new carpet but could benefit from reupholstering the seats. Despite some dings and dents, it still offers significant potential for restoration. The Chrysler 300, known for its performance and luxury, was introduced in 1955 and quickly became a symbol of American automotive prowess, combining style and power in a classic package. Number 3. For $7,900, this 1969 Pontiac Catalina in Burton, Michigan, features a 400 Pontiac engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. The car has solid floors, a painted top, and new 20-inch steel wheels. The interior is in excellent condition, and it runs and drives well. While the paint is peeling in some spots, there are no rust holes, and the vehicle comes with a clean title, providing a smooth driving experience. The Pontiac Catalina was first introduced in 1950 as a part of the Pontiac line, evolving into a full-size vehicle known for its spaciousness and comfort, making it a popular choice among families and car enthusiasts alike. Number 4. This 1970 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,000 in Rossville, Illinois, is powered by a 351 Cleveland engine and is being sold due to the owner's lack of time to invest in the restoration. The vehicle runs, but currently lacks brakes, making it a suitable project car for enthusiasts. With its solid foundation and classic Mustang appeal, it presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to take on a restoration project. The Mustang was first introduced in 1964 and quickly became an American icon, known for its performance, style, and various engine options. As a classic model, the 1970 Mustang holds a special place in automotive history, attracting collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its unique design and driving experience. Number 5. This 1982 Chrysler Fifth Avenue, listed for $2,500 in Eau Claire, Michigan, is a reliable daily driver with no major issues, although the heat and air conditioning are not functioning. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, the car is described as running well and comes with a clean title, making it a solid option for anyone looking for an affordable classic. The Chrysler Fifth Avenue was produced from 1979 to 1989, known for its spacious interior, luxurious features, and smooth ride, appealing to buyers who desired comfort and style in a full-size sedan. Number 6. This 1981 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $7,800 in Decatur, Georgia, features a GM 350 replacement engine equipped with a Summit intake, Demon carburetor, and RV camshaft for enhanced torque. It comes with a turbo 350 transmission and has had new lifters, timing chain, and gears installed. The vehicle runs and drives well, although it currently has old tires that may need replacing. The seller is open to negotiations but prefers to handle discussions in person. The Chevrolet El Camino, a unique blend of a pickup truck and a passenger car, was popular in the 1980s for its versatility and style, appealing to those who wanted both utility and comfort. Number 7. This 1969 Buick Wildcat, priced at $7,500 in Bowling Green, Kentucky, features 84,000 original miles and retains its original 430 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. As a daily driver, it has a few minor issues, including a non-working AM radio and wiper motor, but the car is otherwise in solid condition. The vinyl top has some rust, which has been treated to prevent further damage. The Buick Wildcat, produced from 1963 to 1970, was known for its powerful performance and spacious interior, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle cars. Number 8. This 1982 Dodge D150 Miser, listed for $3,500 in Seville, Ohio, is an unfinished project truck featuring a 225 slant-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has undergone some upgrades, including new springs, shocks, and a rebuilt axle, allowing it to drive well. However, it requires bodywork to achieve show-quality standards. The heater currently functions only on high, and it features a modified intake for improved torque. The Dodge D150, part of the Dodge D-Series, was known for its durability and versatility, making it a popular choice for both work and leisure among truck enthusiasts. Number 9. This 1966 Dodge Coronet 440, priced at $1,750 in Rutherfordton, North Carolina, is a non-running project car that requires engine repair or replacement. Despite its current state, it comes equipped with new tires, a new exhaust system, and a new gas tank, ensuring a solid foundation for restoration. The transmission is reported to be in good condition, adding to its potential as a project. With a clean title, this Coronet offers a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic American muscle car. The Dodge Coronet was known for its performance and style during the 1960s, making it a sought-after model among collectors and classic car fans. Number 10. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala Coupe, listed for $7,000 in Cudahy, Wisconsin, features a replacement 350 engine equipped with a mild cam. The vehicle runs, drives, and stops, but requires some work on the floor and trunk pans. With 14,000 miles on the engine and a total of 70,000 miles on the car, it presents a solid exterior, although there is some rust. The seller is open to negotiations, asking for $8,500 or best offer. The 1970 Impala is known for its classic styling and spacious interior, making it a desirable option for collectors and classic car enthusiasts alike. Number 11. This 1968 Pontiac Bonville two-door hardtop, listed for $6,000 in Green Bay, Wisconsin, boasts just 55,720 original miles and is powered by a robust 345 horsepower 400 cc engine equipped with a 4-barrel quadrajet carburetor. The body is in good condition, though it has some imperfections and a fading vinyl top. While it requires new seals and the carburetor needs rebuilding, the engine is not seized. Recent updates include a new battery, ball joints, shocks, tires, and an HEI distributor. With solid floors, a trunk pan, and a sturdy frame, this Bonneville offers excellent restoration potential. It also comes with original parts, a service manual, and a Fisher body book, adding to its appeal for collectors and enthusiasts. Number 12. This 1983 Plymouth Grand Fury, priced at $4,700 in Toledo, Ohio, features 115,000 miles and is noted for its exceptional cleanliness. It runs and drives smoothly, boasting a tight suspension, good tires, and solid brakes. The seller mentions a minor vacuum hose issue that does not impact drivability. Inside, the vehicle is very clean and has been used as a daily driver without any problems. The seller is open to trade offers and assures that a missing hubcap will be replaced prior to the sale. The Plymouth Grand Fury, popular during its production years, is known for its spacious interior and reliable performance, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 13. This 1967 Rambler American project car, listed for just $700 in Lucedale, Mississippi, is not currently running and requires restoration. Despite its non-operational status, it offers a solid foundation for anyone seeking an affordable classic car project. The vehicle features a manual transmission and comes in a green exterior and interior, making it a unique option for enthusiasts. The Rambler American, produced between 1961 and 1969, is known for its compact design and practicality, making it a sought-after choice for collectors looking for a classic vehicle to restore and enjoy.